Most toaster ovens in 2026 are a total waste of money. But these 5? They're game changers. I tested them all, and the number 1 pick will shock you. Let's go. Number 1. Ninja Foodi DT201. The Ninja Foodi DT201 is the best toaster oven we've tested. This spacious model is a great option if you want a toaster oven that can replace your regular oven. Its large cooking chamber and 4 rack positions give you plenty of space for elaborate bakes and home-cooked dinners. It delivers impressive temperature stability for baking and reheating leftovers, and offers settings for broiling, dehydrating, and even roasting a whole chicken. It also air fries very evenly, so it's a good choice for making crispy fries or chicken wings, although it's slow for an air fryer, probably because of the large chamber size. It also performs well for toasting. It has space for up to 9 pieces of bread at once, and whether you're making 4 slices or using its full capacity, it toasts very evenly, rivaling the performance of most slot toasters, although it's somewhat slow. While the size of this model hinders its speed, it also makes it very easy to clean, since you can easily reach around the cooking chamber to wipe it down. Despite its size, it also preheats very quickly, so you don't have to wait long before adding food to the cooking chamber, even if it takes a few extra minutes to cook. Meet the Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Oven, an extra-large air fryer and toaster oven combo designed to deliver powerful, fast, and even cooking for the whole family. Featuring true surround convection with up to 10x the power of a traditional full-size oven, this XL countertop convection oven cooks meals quickly and evenly on 2 levels at once, no rotating required. Perfect for busy kitchens, this air fryer toaster oven delivers crispy, golden results using little to no oil, making it a healthier alternative to deep frying. The extra-large capacity fits family-sized meals, including a whole roast, multiple trays of food, or a large pizza, ideal for meal prep and entertaining. Enjoy unmatched versatility with 10-in-1 functionality: air fry, air roast, whole roast, bake, broil, toast, bagel, pizza, dehydrate, and reheat. Whether you're cooking crispy fries, roasted meats, baked goods, or quick snacks, this multifunction air fryer oven delivers consistent, delicious results every time. Number 2. Typhur Sink Oven. The Typhur Sink Dome is a great option if cooking speed is your priority and you want a fast toaster oven. While it's a little smaller and has fewer rack positions than our top pick, the Ninja Foodi DT201, it's still big, with room for 6 slices of bread or a 13-inch pizza. It doesn't toast bread as evenly as the Ninja, but otherwise, it offers impressive performance for a variety of uses. It preheats faster and maintains a stable temperature throughout cooking, making it a great choice for baking and reheating leftovers, as they're unlikely to burn or dry out before cooking through. It also air fries faster and nearly as evenly, so it's a good choice for your favorite crispy snacks as well. It includes a wide range of temperature settings in various cooking modes, like roast, dehydrate, and keep warm, but it also includes a couple of unique features that really help it stand out from the crowd. It comes with a wireless temperature probe, so you can cook meat to a specific doneness. And it offers access to a companion app with Typhur AI, which lets you share a photo of ingredients for recipe ideas, adjust portions, and send settings to the toaster oven. When you're finished cooking, it's very easy to clean, too. With a wide temperature range of 85–450 degrees Fahrenheit and 3 fan speeds, the oven offers 12 cooking modes: roast, bake, air fry, broil, pizza, cookies, toast, bagel, proof, reheat, dehydrate, keep warm, and 5 probe presets: beef, fish, pork, lamb, poultry. Access approximately 35 step-by-step app recipes plus 15 printed recipes, with app recipes continuously updated for inspiration and guidance. Number 3. Ninja Flip SP151. If you don't need as much vertical cooking capacity and prefer to spend less, consider the Ninja Flip SP151. It can't toast quite as evenly as the Ninja Foodi DT201 at full capacity, but it toasts faster, which is handy when you need a quick breakfast before running out the door. It offers good air frying performance, it delivers results decently fast, and leaves most of each batch crispy and well cooked. While it's a pretty versatile air fryer, its weaker airflow makes it less suitable for roasting or making extra crispy food. That said, you can use it to dehydrate, and thanks to its excellent temperature stability, it's nearly as good as our top pick for baking. This short toaster oven has a unique trick to save counter space. It's designed to be flipped up on its back when you're not using it. This design also means you don't have much vertical space in the cooking chamber. This makes it more awkward to clean and means that baking loaves of bread and cooking whole chickens are probably out of the question. Still, its cooking chamber is pretty wide, with room for an 11-inch pizza or 6 slices of bread. Its preheat reminder is inaccurate, but this compact toaster oven reaches your selected temperature quickly, so it's not a major issue. Upgrade your kitchen with the Ninja Flip Toaster Oven and Air Fryer, a powerful air fryer toaster oven combo designed for performance and space-saving convenience. This 8-in-1 multifunctional countertop convection oven lets you air fry, roast, broil, bake, pizza, toast, bagel, and dehydrate, all in one sleek appliance. Number 4. Black+Decker Natural Convection 4-Slice TO 1756 SB. If you're searching for the best air fryer available at the lowest possible price, the Black+Decker Natural Convection 4-Slice TO 1756 SB might be a good fit. While there are certainly some trade-offs at this price point, it toasts faster than the Hamilton Beach SureCrisp 31196FG, and the slices are pretty evenly browned by the time it finishes. This small toaster oven also preheats faster than any of the pricier models above, making it ideal for quickly reheating leftovers as long as you don't need a lot of capacity. Its temperature fluctuates a bit throughout cooking, but it's still more than stable enough for baking, so you can make a small batch of cookies with very good results. That said, it's even less versatile than the Hamilton Beach SureCrisp. It doesn't have a fan or an air fry mode, and it'll cook foods like French fries much less evenly and more slowly compared to toaster ovens with air fry or convection modes. It includes just 4 basic cooking modes: warm, broil, bake, and toast. It's very compact, so while it'll save a lot of counter space, you can only make 4 slices of toast at once. The smaller size also makes it a bit tricky to clean. Large enough for a 9-inch pizza or 4 slices of bread, the Black+Decker 4-Slice stainless steel toaster oven with broiler pan complements any kitchen countertop. This compact, versatile toaster oven bakes, broils, toasts, and keeps food warm at up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It comes with a baking and broiler pan that fits perfectly into the small toaster oven interior. Plus, our exclusive EvenToast technology optimizes heat distribution to toast bread evenly. Number 5. Breville the Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. Buying a toaster oven with an air fryer mode can help you cut down on the number of small appliances in your kitchen, but they tend not to perform as well as their basket-style counterpart. That said, our best air frying toaster oven pick, the Breville the Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, actually comes surprisingly close to the air frying performance of our best basket air fryer recommendation, the Ninja Foodi DZ550. Using its air fry mode and mesh air frying basket, it air fries impressively evenly, rivaling the best basket-style models and producing mostly crispy, golden brown fries or chicken wings. It's not as fast as the DZ550, which is typical for oven-style air fryers, but your food will be done cooking fairly quickly. This toaster oven has an even bigger capacity than the Ninja Foodi DT201, so it's a good option if you usually cook for the whole family, although it preheats more slowly. It also struggles with temperature accuracy, and the actual oven temperature can be far below the setting you selected. That said, it maintains a very stable temperature and doesn't overshoot your selected setting, so it's not a bad option for baking something like a frozen pizza or reheating leftovers. However, it's not a good option for toasting. It can fit 9 slices, but even with just 4 at a time, it toasts very slowly. That's the list. Links for every product are in the description. Like, share, and subscribe if this helped. Disclosure: as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. See you next time.